Hello, sir. If you want to duplicate a page, you would just need to go to the WordPress admin site. And this is the two pages I made: the magical stacking, the crackless repair. So this is the last product we are going to duplicate. So this is the pages, and you will see the button here. You can change that one on the video. So when I click that one, it will automatically go to the checkout page. So I'll just create the page for this product, and basically you are going to duplicate that one. I already put the duplicate function. So when you hover the page title, you will see a duplicate this function. Okay, so I've created this two pages already of the two products. So we're going to create now the two pages. Okay, and then so let's duplicate now. Okay, so I will duplicate the product. So just click this one. Okay, once you click that, you will see that duplicate. So this is the duplicate one, that because it indicates draft, and the original page is this one. Okay, now we'll just edit the page for the duplicate page, and then we will rename the title of the page. Okay, so you need also to log into the Shopify of the Triflames. Paste that one, then edit the permalink. Make sure you edit this one, but this is very important in terms of SEO purposes. Okay, and hit OK. Then scroll down. You will say this is the element. Okay, and you will edit this one on the title. Okay, so again, if you want to edit that one, you will see a small icon, edit icon. Okay, this is the column element, and then if you want to edit this title, just hover, and then you will see an icon. So this preview, so you can preview the changes you made, okay, before you are going to make it live. So as you can see, the title is updated, and okay, if you want to update something, then click again the edit icon. So we'll now edit the video. We'll find a demo video or a test video. So we'll just show you how we can change the video. So basically, we want to go put a video from YouTube. Okay, so just copy the link. For example, okay, we'll just copy that one, and then go back to the editor, and then you will see this element. Just click the edit icon, this one, and then place or remove the link, then paste the link we copied earlier, then click save. So okay, let's preview again. So again, the difference of preview and publish is preview is only for previewing the changes, and publish is committing or making it live. Okay, so now we'll just publish it first, so you will see the difference of preview. So once we publish this one, because this is in draft, you will see that it is now preview and update only. Okay, you will see that one. So let's preview changes we made. So sure enough, the video is already also updated. Okay, now let's proceed to the button. So we will now updating the button. We will just copy the price here, $48. Okay, then go back, find the button. So this is the button. Then again, click the edit icon, then change the price name, and then now this is the crucial thing, the link button, which we need to make it directly put in Shopify traffic. So as I said earlier, you need to go to the Shopify, and then click all products, then find the products, this one. So this is the product we are going to create to get a link. So in this URL here, okay, at the bottom of that one, just type in the .xml, yeah, then hit enter. So you will see a code something like this, and just find the variant text. So this one, the first variant, then copy the ID type. Okay, that one. So that is the ID we need. So yeah, just copy that one, highlight and copy, or Control C. You can copy that one. Okay, just cut here and put this one here. So now this is the product ID. Okay, so do not copy that one. All you need to do is just copy the variant ID. So just copy that one. So I've already copied that. So now we'll go to the editor. So this is the URL. So this is how you can do it. So the triflames.com/cart, then slash the copied ID, then course, then put a colon, and then the quantity of how many product will be 2, either 3 or 1. So let's just put 1 now, because this is a manual hyperlink in checking out the product. So just copy that one and then paste it here. So that's it. So once the users will click the button, so it will redirect it. So let's just update it now. Okay, and preview it live. Okay, then let's just try to click the button. So when we click that one, it will sure enough to put in a checkout. So as you can see, it will redirect it to checkout and the product is correct. Okay, so now let's go back to the editor. You will edit this one here. So if you want to edit that one as well, so you can just scroll down, find the editor, and this section here, this is the checklist, and the other side is the slider or the image. So basically I will just simply copy or download the images. So yeah, that's it, sir. So just follow this video and you are good to go. What I did here is just simply copy the video, copy the images. So I will delete this one, and you will, for example, you will upload lots of images. So just click that one to upload 3 images. Okay, then just click insert and save. Okay, then we'll need to put or update the description as well. So there's no features on this product, so just basically find other description. So this I will just put it in this way because you can update it anytime. So just click edit, add element, then paste this one here. Okay, so just copy this one as well, put it at the first area, then save, and then let's preview before we update. Okay, so again preview, and let's see the changes we made for the content and the image. Okay, so that's it, sir. So this is how you can update the pages, duplicate and create a link for your direct checkout, and then you can drag the first, so you can sort out the images, which one will be the first image to display viewing the page at the first time. So that's it.
Every day is a marathon for all
Okay,
of
we'll
those
just
people
update
who have to
and
spend the entire day working in the field.
if you have any question, just message me, sir. I need to relax now. Thank you for watching this video.
Every day is a marathon.
Change the font size of list element and text. Now for increasing the font size of the list or checklist element, here you will see this one. So this is the checklist element. Okay, so you will see it here. So what you're going to do, so let's see the font size of this one. So I think it is 14 pixels. Yeah, it is 14 pixels. So for example, you want to make it bigger for around 18 pixels. So just go to the page that you are currently editing, and then click the edit icon, and then scroll down, and you will see this item size. Okay, so just put 18, save, then let's just preview if it works. So this is the live. Okay, this is the current size in live, and this is now the update. Okay, so I think it's good. So just save this one because this is only for preview or for changes that we made. So let's refresh, so we will see the changes. Okay, so that's it. For example, this one you need to change the font size of this one as well. Just go in this one area here and in design option, you will see 30 pixels because I set it up to 30 pixels. You will see it on this side. Okay, so just put any or 35. That's again design. So this is the title element. General, you will see this class repair, and then design. Okay, so it's 30 pixels, right? So if you want to put it 35, you can, and then save, hit save. So, and the other one is the text area, so let's just save it for now. And we have here the text area. Wait, I think I have this one here. Okay, this one. So earlier we used a text, this one. So you can see this is just a text. So we will edit this one and maximize the font size. So again, let's see the font of this one. Okay, font size, I don't think. Okay, so probably it's a default size of the text. Okay, so 13 pixels. So yeah, let's change this one. And what I did here in this area is just I put this one, then I will just put deep. So the font size is 18 pixels. So this is the HTML element. So I put all the text inside the div. So let's try to preview if the changes I made is okay. So it works. So this is the default.
Every day is a marathon for all of those people who have to
So
spend the
let's
entire day
just
working in the
basically
field.
edit this one.
Some of them need to stand on
So
their
that is
feet
how
all
you
day
can
long, while others have to
change
walk way more distance than
the
an average person.
font size
The right pair of shoes promises foot comfort.
of the checklist and the checklist element in the um, text block. So just for the text block, just go click this one, and then I made a code here. Just click this text, and you see the deep HTML code as well here as well as here. So I will update this one. So let's update other pages. So I think this one is not yet updated. Let's see. Okay, this one is updated. So the stocking, okay, not yet updated. So click edit, then scroll down. Okay, this is checklist. Okay, you see a checklist element, checklist. Scroll down, this item size, let's just put 18 and update, then preview it live. So remember this size. So when the really big, since we updated the size, then size here is also updated. Now again, let's change the other page, the remaining page, this one. Okay, it's updated as well. So that's it, sir. Okay, if you have any questions, just message me.